Hi guys, finally came the time when I'm ready to install my new AMG engine cover on my car. First I must spray some silicone lubricate uh, on these grommets. You can see here silicone spray, which I will use to put it very easily, and then I will install this engine cover, which I will show you now. Here you can see this is the engine cover, which came from a W163 chassis ML55 AMG. It is from M113 engine, and it will fit my engine without any modifications, and can't wait to look it when it will be installed. Here you can see it. The cover is in very good condition. I treated and cleaned it with some stuff. I will show you now what I have used. Now I will show you the other side, second side of the cover. Here we are, and it is very important that the cover has all the clips and mounts which are necessary to fit it on the engine properly. Here you can see 4 of them are in their place. So guys, let's put it now here in the table, and I will show you this wood stuff also, which I used. It is very good plastic cleaner, and I installed it on my car. Here is the final look, guys, and I can say that it fitted as it should be. It looks like it is here from factory, and it looks very good. It looks simply better than the OM stock or airbox, with Mercedes markings. Everything is in its place. The rubbers on the main cover are exactly like new, and the engine bay now looks the way better than it was. So I'm very happy. I wanna say thank you to everyone who looks my videos, watches my videos. Please, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel, and I will catch you back with new videos very soon. Goodbye and thank you.